Hey everyone, I'm Alex. I'm the programmer and developer for AhoiCpp. This is a plugin for Neovim, which handles C++, heavy lifting, and some project scaffolding. Let me make it a little bigger here. Okay, and we can start it by running Neovim. Okay, we are here. Um, I have nothing, as you can see in my telescope. So I can run leader CPA and create my app. My app is called Ahoy, and it displays just a welcome message to Ahoy CPP. Um, if I press CPX, it was also compiled at the time it was created, because at this point we will have to inform our LSP to index everything, and this is done under the hood after compiling by creating this file called compilecommands.json. But now we can, as C++ programmers, we can create a class. CPD, it will create a class um, as a module and a directory. Let's say I want to make some networking, so I will create a directory that is called network. Okay, and my module or class will be called TCP server, just as a short placeholder for this example. Um, and it compiles again. That enables that one can come here and include it as TCP server. Another thing I have been doing with this plugin is to manage external libraries or external dependencies. I can run here um, leader cpf, and here are some fetchers, some scripts that will fetch external dependencies, and if they are just like complex, like PostgreSQL or OpenCV, you have to compile this, and these scripts are doing it. So I won't start this right now because it takes kind of 10 minutes for OpenCV or so. Postgres will take also plenty of a time. Um, I have also, for other less complex libraries here in Ahoy CPP, this one CPA CPE. I have this add external submodule from Git. I can use here HTTP as github.com and Loman. Whoops. JSON.git. This is pretty common, and it is a header only. It will take a while, but I will show just a bit about the fetchers. They are in another directory called fetchers, and at first I have these two. Let's open a Neovim. They're kind of complicated. My Python LSP is kind of broken right now. Um, but yeah, they go to the fetch the dependencies direct from Git, and then compile it. Yeah, for Postgres, you have to not only get a version of Postgres for C++, but you also need the version for C, and this is this is just a lot of work to do, and then you have to paste everything and run it. and and include everything in your CMake lists, txt files, and this script is handling everything for you. Uh, yeah. Um, if you want to make some other scripts, you can take these two as examples. They are also in the GitHub from AhoiCpp, and yeah, you can also maybe ask one large language model, hi, hey, here's a fetcher script for OpenCV. Can you do the same for SQLite for me, or something like that? It should work fine nowadays. And yeah, let's go back to our dev here, and JSON was successfully added as a submodule from GitHub and Loman JSON. Okay. Uh, yeah, it should work. And if not, you may have to do some dependency management in a few CMake files. So, but for Enloman JSON or other things like ASIO, for networking, it should be fine. Um, and then you can include it in everywhere in your project, and uh, can create a JSON object there. Um, JSON object, and then use in your class, like, okay. Um, yeah, this is just a dummy kind of TCP server. So um, let me just say here IP and give this and port. Yeah, and everything's fine. You can then use it here and initialize. Let me just get rid of this, and then TCP server test, and then print line test dot JSON object dump a little beautify, and then CPC for compiling. This is also great, and CPX, and everything's there. Yeah, this was a brief explanation around AhoiCpp. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.